Hey guys, welcome back to Isabella's Quick Recipes. Look what we're making today, pumpkin spice crunch cheesecake fruit salad. So let's get started. Here I have some caramel chips. You want to melt these in the microwave till it's nice and smooth. And for the crunch part, here I have some pumpkin spice Oreos. These are really good. I was surprised. Strawberry Crunch has freeze-dried strawberries, so for a color, I'm going to be using these freeze-dried mango. And if you see these, they're just like so crispy, and they have like a really nice crisp. And they're really yellow. So if you want this to have like a more orangey appearance, you could use these freeze-dried mango with the Oreos. Now it's time for the fun parts. We're gonna dip all the apples into the caramel chips that have been melted, and then we're gonna roll them in this pumpkin Oreo mixture. And then you wanna put them on a silicone sheet and allow like 5 minutes for them to completely harden. One important part is that you wanna make sure your apples are nice and dry. So go ahead and kind of pat them down with a napkin or paper towel. And also you could peel the apples if you wanted to. Ooh, look at this. If you can't find caramel chips, you could of course use white chocolate chips and just melt those. What I have here, this is a pumpkin cheesecake. We're gonna cut pieces of this and just plop them right on top. This is gonna be really indulgent. I recommend you make this for like a Halloween party and not as an everyday snack. All right guys, it's time for the best part, taste test time. This salad, I must say, smells so good. You could smell all the different spices. Whatever's in those Oreos and like in that cheesecake, it's just like, it smells very like cinnamony. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything. Blackberry, grape. Where's the smallest piece of cheesecake? Cheers. That Trader Joe's pumpkin cheesecake is so good. It's not too sweet. And the blackberries are super tart, kind of sour. And the grape, I love grapes right now. I won't eat grapes all year, but for some reason I'll just eat them like all throughout October, November. Now for the apple. I'm gonna cut this apple in half just because I hate biting down on apple. Does this to you not look like a caramel apple? I feel like it's really gonna taste like it. Cheers. I feel like out of the whole fruit salad, that was definitely the sweetest. So make sure to go really thin on that coating and maybe use, I think like a dark chocolate would be better, to be honest. That was really sweet, but it was really nice. I think the green apple is gonna taste better because green apples are really sour. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you try it out. Be sure to check out my strawberry crunch cheesecake fruit salad at the end of this video, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.
He loves me, he cares for me, I'm hypnotized every time.